Hi guys, thank you guys for tuning in with us today on Shamon's Kitchen. What's up, Bruce?
What's going on?
Today we're going to be making cheeseburger egg roll.
Okay.
That's cool with you?
Hey, everything's always cool with me, baby.
Okay, so guys, let me let y'all know this recipe right here is easy. It won't take long. Flavorful for you, your friends, and your family. Put it together. Y'all will enjoy it. Come on up. Let me show you what we got here. The ingredients, we're going to start off the bat. I have sharp cheddar, mild cheddar. Now you can use any kind of cheeses that you prefer. I have a little red onion. I have complete, one of my favorite. It has onion, garlic powder, a couple more seasonings in it, like a little parsley. Shamon's Kitchen seasoning. If you don't have this already, you can use seasoning salt. I have ground round. So I already cooked the ground beef, got it brown, and I put red onions inside of the ground beef while I cooked it. And we also have the egg roll wraps. We're gonna show you what to do with that. I love making egg rolls, y'all. I promise y'all I do. And I have my egg wash, 2 eggs, just beat it up. Add a little water if you want, but today I didn't. I just got 2 eggs to keep the egg roll secure. So let's go ahead and get started. You ready, Bruce?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, let's do it. So, you're going to go ahead and take your ground beef.
Okay.
You can put your ground beef in. You're going to go for the different cheeses.
Okay.
And we're going to show them how to wrap it. I'm going to show them how to wrap it. So, when it comes to wrapping, you want to do it in the angle style here. And then I have my pan, I'm sorry guys, with my oil, canola oil already cooking and it's already popping. So you can use a deep fryer or pan, but enough oil so that your egg rolls can float. So first of all, you want to go ahead and cross your egg rolls. And then I want to hit it with a little bit of egg wash. Make sure it's secure, tight and secure, so it can stick. You want to make sure that egg roll goes over this way. And then you want to make sure it goes also this way. Make sure it stays together. Put egg roll wash. And there you got it. Make sure it's together. Flip it over and make sure it stays secure. Now you can use 2. Okay?
Okay.
Whatever your egg roll. Going in on it. You want to kind of be gentle with it a little bit until you get used to it. I like egg roll wash because it keeps it more secure for me, better than water. I like to be honest about everything I do to show you guys. Egg roll wash. Make sure it's good. Make sure we're good to go. There you go. Let me do another one for you guys, okay? Let's get it going. Now, sometimes you can use 2 egg rolls. If your egg roll you think is not really secure for you, you can also use 2. That's what I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys when you use 2. Let's go ahead and put this one back. We're gonna use 2. Come on up here, Bruce. I may need your help for something.
Okay.
So we're gonna make this one a little bit fatter. We're gonna put the cheese on it.
Okay.
Okay, so what we're gonna do, diagonal, you wanna take it this way first. Take it that way. See that? Wrap it. Thank you. Egg wash. And then we're gonna bring it the other way. I like hitting all corners to make sure it all stay together. Little egg wash. Bring it the other way. Make sure them corners get bent in a little bit. That's how you're gonna keep it together. See how the egg wash help keep it together, bro? Okay. We are good to go. So from there, you're gonna go ahead. See how that grease is popping? Grease tester. Take a little water, splash it in if you want. But mine is ready to go. Get it floating. I'm gonna just put a couple in and show you guys, and I'm gonna come back and show you. So when it starts rising to the top, you go ahead and flip. See there? In the deep fryer, just flip. So about 5 minutes on each side. You're going to drain that grease off. You can put it on a cooling rack or put it on paper towel. Look at those. Look at that. Yummy, delicious. Okay, guys. So look, here they go. Come up on them. Here they go. Completed. Delicious. We're going to get to tasting.
Now, this is what I'm waiting to see.
You waiting to see?
Oh, yeah, because I'm ready to eat. You know me.
So I made my homemade bang bang sauce. I got a video, a tutorial on that on the shrimp egg roll homemade bang bang sauce. I got the recipe to that for this on that. Okay, let's go ahead and get to tasting.
Let's taste it.
All right, so I already cut 1 1/2 for you. Come up on a blessing. There we go. We're gonna split 1 1/2. You ready?
Oh, yeah.
It's still piping hot here.
Hey, I don't care about the hotness. You know me.
Now you tell them what you think. Let's dip. Okay, double dipping is all cool.
Yeah, double dipping because this is me and my wife.
Double dipping. It's good, y'all. It's good. Cheeseburger egg roll. Look at that. Now, you can also do ketchup and mustard. Mix that up. Put a little honey in it. In a little bowl. That's another way you can make your dipping sauce. Or you can use the homemade bang bang sauce. Thousand Island sauce. Sorry, get creative. Y'all know what I mean. Delicious.
We got her. They always talk about me messing up. We got her. She finally messed up herself. We got it this time.
Thank y'all for tuning in with us today at Shimon's Kitchen. We appreciate y'all time. Thank y'all for watching. Everybody be blessed. Subscribe and share for us. Thank you. Bye-bye.